The Razer Wolverine V2 Chroma wired gaming controller is a premium wired controller designed for competitive gamers who want precision, speed, and deep customization. Built for Xbox and PC, it combines advanced hardware features with Razer's signature RGB lighting to deliver both performance and style. Powered by Razer Chroma RGB, this controller allows you to customize lighting with up to 16.8 million colors and a wide range of effects using the Razer Controller Setup app. This adds an immersive visual element to your gaming setup, making it especially appealing for streamers and RGB enthusiasts. With 6 additional remappable buttons, including 4 extra triggers and 2 bumpers, the controller gives you full control over your gameplay. You can customize each button through the Companion app, allowing you to create a personalized layout that matches your playstyle and improves reaction time. The hair trigger mode with trigger stop switches is a key feature for competitive gaming. By reducing the trigger travel distance using the slide locks, you can achieve faster input response, giving you a noticeable edge in fast-paced shooting games. Equipped with mecha-tactile action buttons and a responsive D-pad, the controller ensures precise and satisfying inputs. The cushioned touch combined with tactile feedback enhances accuracy, making every move feel more controlled and deliberate. It also includes interchangeable thumbstick caps, offering both short and extended options. This flexibility allows you to adjust the controller to your comfort level, improving precision and control for different game genres. The improved ergonomics feature L-shaped hand grips with non-slip rubber coating, ensuring a secure and comfortable hold during long gaming sessions. This design reduces fatigue and enhances overall handling. Officially designed for Xbox, the controller is fully compatible with Xbox Series XOS, Xbox One, and PC. Its licensed design guarantees seamless integration and reliable performance across supported platforms. Overall, the Razer Wolverine V2 Chroma stands out as a high-performance controller built for gamers who demand customization, speed, and comfort in every session.